And show Will Headman. Yep. And then let's see the controller.
Headman, you're gonna carry the controller.
Okay.
I'm carrying the controller.
And then I'm gonna go get 152 radios here in a second. I want all the cords for the GCS with me. Goggles will go with Headman. And then warheads will get split between PLS, APLS. And then I'm gonna have this. You got an extra battery. Because you're the pilot.
Hey, group 3 and 5, go give Lieutenant Forthman your call sign, please.
Did you guys already DV out? It doesn't look like you guys have.
Hornsville. One Archer kit.
With however many packs.
So I'm glad I started early.
Locust Fires is live, requesting the DFL with 4 packs.
Alright, we are ready, guys.
Come me down to grab DOC, but bring him back up. And then,
Set up, okay. I got the GCS, okay, and then I need my Headman, okay. All right, let's execute. Execute. Yep. Go. Hey, come this way. Go this way, so we're not over giving away our.
Got it. This cactus right here.
The most important thing when it comes to concealing yourself is your backdrop, or whatever is behind you on that backdrop. So if you have sticks going straight up and down like this, going sideways, you probably want something on your body that's somewhat the same.
overhead concealment over you, and that way the mask is still inside concealed.
Absolutely. You could absolutely do that if you're in a spot where you're capable of doing it.
No, because when.
Hey, you guys carry a Thules on you?
Carry what?
A Thules.
Okay, this is Locust Fires, attack during fire mission over.
Yeah, but it's different for you guys because you're going from scouts to now you're just making an attack drone, so it's different for you guys.
Yeah, I need batteries. Ion batteries.
Where's NAI? These
Time
are
to
all
target.
marked X for some
12
reason.
minutes. Mics.
But the NAI is right next to it, right?
Confirm.
That is the NAI, right? Yes.
Locust Fires, this is Hive. Stand by for fire cap. 202 degrees magnetic. Break. 6 by Neuros Archers. 2 by EFP. 2 by APAR. 2 by AMAT. How copy?
A 202 degrees magnetic with 6 by archers, 2 by EFP, 2 by APERS, 2 by AMAT, simulated by LED.
Roger, solid copy.
1 by EFP, 4 meter hob, 30-second SST. How copy? Battery's good. Ensure controller's grounded. All switches set to safe.
Say coming in broken and slightly unreadable over.
Touching warhead.
This is 5, radar check.
Good. Green. Green.
5, this is Wasp. You're coming in broken and slightly unreadable over.
Retrieving bunker. Plugging in deck connector.
Plugging in deck connector.
Tension check. Green. Green. Removing well plug.
Moving well plug.
Unbunkering blasting cap.
Unbunkering blasting cap.
Inserting blasting cap. More. Tightening cord grip.
Tightening cord grip. Tighty, tighty. Yep.
Tension check.
Alright, at this point, we grab our stuff.
You got everything?
Yep.
Alright. Moving retention pin.
Moving retention pin. Pull pin.
1, 2, 3. Move.
Right wing.
Roger, going for VTX. You got it? VTX is good.
Roger, go for props check.
Roger, go for props check. Arming.
Props are good, go for battery.
Roger, battery's good.
The intersection, the target should be around that area.
The right side of that Y.
Yep, the right side.
All right. Now you guys need to remember. All right, you're in a perch.
Is that a good opening right there?
Yep.
Roger, I see what you're saying. Middle screen. Low.
Yep.
Roger, backing up. Raising alley, backing up.
Yep, yep.
There you go. Literally find any open spot.
Right there.
Headman right there.
Straight
Yeah, don't
ahead.
overthink it. Find any open spot on that finger and go land on it.
AGL.
You get to talk back to landing.
N5.
Hey, after this one, we are done. Just do me a favor, triple, quadruple check down there for everything. Sweep the ground and make sure nothing is left back there.
You don't have to put props on that one.
Roger, I copy. Bridge 599617. 143 kinetic, 3 by archers, 3 by AP, 3 by AP.
Good to go.
11 Sierra, Mike Sierra, 59918. Direction of flight 200 degrees mag.
Alright, cool. Better be.
And I would, let's go.
Get to where you need to be.
GCS, this is payload. Radio check over.
Solid copy.
Vic, good. 1 by AMAT, 2 meter hop, 30-second SST.
Go for VTX.
Go for VTX.
Hey, move that drone out of the way.
Props good. Go for battery check.
Battery's good.
Retrieving warhead, green, green.
Retrieving warhead, green, green.
Attaching warhead, green, green.
Attaching warhead, green, green. Attaching bunker, green, green.
Attaching bunker, green, green.
Inserting blasting cap, green, green.
Inserting blasting cap, green, green.
Push till you feel C4, push some more. Tightening core grip, green, green.
Tightening core grip, green, green.
Tension check, green, green.
That's right.
That's where we're over here. So it should be right
somewhere
here. 5 minutes. Just keep following the road. Turn the controller on. It should be. Hopefully this works. It should.
Just have to wonder if the whole thing will be.
Drone.
Yep.
Drone settings. And then sync drone.
Okay.
Alright, awesome.
We're watching that bit time.
VTX is good, but you're gonna need to focus the camera.
Way worse.
Nope. Other way.
Check good. Go for battery check.
After you pull pins, you could just tilt the drone up. Kind of looking at the sky.
hold it kind of like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can just go ahead and pull pins.
Pull pins.
Alright, we're watching the green flashes. They coming down here.
Go ahead, start a slight descent, start that orbit. Just don't push forward, just start descending. Good.
Alright, cool. We can go ahead, unplug, throttle up, throttle up.
And just make sure you guys are grounded through this whole thing and we'll be good.
This thing here?
Yep. Go right into bunker.
Doing a continuity test. Roger, doing continuity test.
Where are you guys gonna get the non-hotel?
I have continuity. Roger, you have continuity.
Found something too, like, we can kind of get to this length, right? I think this is good, so.
Alright gentlemen, so this is your stick of C4. This is what it's going to look like when you get it. As of right now, it's pretty hard packed. Once we get her opened up, peel these little plastic wrapper off. So once we got that opened up, what you're going to do is you're going to start taking like smaller blocks. So take about that much, probably. I usually like rip that about in half, and I start playing with it like I play with Play-Doh, you know what I mean? Big of a deal, but for EFP, remember we got that little ridge that goes around the actual liner itself, so we got to make little smaller amounts. So for the very beginning, I suggest doing just take probably about a half of that, and just start pushing it in there. If you guys want to, start grabbing pieces of C4 and start doing the thing, you know?
You tested that.
Nice and fluffy. What's the feel, Bruce? Grab some. Yeah, grab some. I'm good.
I just, yeah, dude, I think it feels like $4,000. It was, I think $1,000. I think they're like $500 because they're custom made. Oh. You can't just like buy them at the DX and they have them cake.
Sweet, sweet. All right, that's payload. All right.
Edwards, go ahead. Ship.
Right about there.
That's good for now.
Passing TRP1.
So stay above that closest technical. Once you get over it, start roll left.
Yep, roll left. Wait for that LiDAR.
There you go. Good. Alright. You get to bring back.
Altitude, bring it up, bring it up.
Oh, he's doing a good job.
16 meters.